We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. Been missing you. How's everybody doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making some fresh snap green beans, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing you what I'm going to put in my green beans. First of all, I do have my fresh green beans. I have an onion, which I'm going to cut in half and slice. I have some salt, pepper, and onion powder. I also have my ham bone that I had left over from Christmas. If you don't prefer pork, you can always use smoked turkey meat, okay? Like a drumstick or a wing or turkey necks, whatever you prefer. Okay, those are all our ingredients, so let's get to cooking. Here we're covering our ham bone with water. We're going to pour enough water in there, not to cover the bone, but to equal it, okay? And we're going to let this begin to boil, and we're going to be right back. Okay, it has begun to boil, so what we're doing now, we're going to place our onions in here. Letting y'all know, this pot, it was a gift from my daughter-in-law and son and their family as a Christmas gift. Y'all, I am enjoying it. Y'all, I love it. Thank y'all for my beautiful gift. Here I'm showing you how I snap my beans. I snap each end off. You can keep these whole if you prefer, but I always snap mine into, pieces and bite-sized pieces. Just snap off each end. And just snap to your desired length, okay? So I have rinsed them off and I'm placing them in my pot. And we're going to let these begin to boil on a medium-high heat. And then we're going to decrease our heat down to like a little under medium and just let these simmer until they get to the doneness that you prefer. Some people don't like theirs fully cooked. Some like theirs with a slightly crunch to their beans, but you cook these your way, okay? Make this recipe yours. After cooking our green beans for 40 minutes, letting y'all know I did remove my ham bone from the pot. Now I'm seasoning them with salt and pepper and onion powder. Now we're going to let these boil for another 10 minutes uncovered, and then we're done and are ready to serve. Okay, y'all, our beans have finished cooking, and y'all, they are so good. A pan of cornbread would have went great with this meal, but I didn't do it this time, y'all. But along with these green beans, we did have Salisbury steak and mashed potatoes. But I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!